Okay, so am I going through like some of my stuff because school is like 1 month away for me. So I made like the bag. Oh my god, like 2 baggies for like one for school and one not to wear for school. Okay, this is the bag that I'm for school and the bag not to wear to school. So I'm like working on that. Right now I'm gonna go through my perfumes. I might run out like soon. So this one is gonna go in the garbage. I'm gonna go smell it first. Hair. I haven't done my hair yet. I know it's gonna run out like before school, so this one is gonna go in the garbage. Winter candy apple I'm keeping, and I'm gonna put it in a box for school. This is the box that I put in everything in for like school. I'm gonna keep using this. Then I'm gonna try to use this. I don't really like smell like anything to me. So I think I can like throw this. Actually, nah. One more time. Yeah, this one can be used for school into the night. School. 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 Maybe I will use this one like now. So I'm gonna put the 3 perfumes that I chose for school. Don't mind the background, by the way, so. Okay, this is so far. Okay, now I like found like some jewelry. I think I'm gonna like use this for school. My birthday's coming up, so I'm getting like prepared for school, so I don't gotta worry about it right away when I turn 15. And I'm doing this earring for school. I got some like the nose hoops for school, but I put it in like a different bag. I'm gonna like clean this mess up, guys. Because it was like organizing clothes when I just never picked up the mats. But I'm gonna show you all my closet. This is my closet. I'm going back to the jewelry, but right now I'm gonna focus on like shoes and clothes. Because I don't really have to worry about like that much clothes. So I'm gonna like keep these for like the winter and fall. And I will wear these with like a certain outfit. And these are the ones that I like wear for SpongeBob. Then I have like Crocs for like the fall. I got these ones for Christmas. Look at them. They're like so comfy inside. These are like for the fall. Then these are like for the winter. Okay, I have 3 bracelets that I need to see what to wear and not to wear like to school. This one I can definitely wear to school. These 2 I can definitely wear to school for sure. is like making me feel good. Like, August is like my favorite month, even though school's like 1 month away. Like, I love being organizing for like school and stuff, so I love getting it out of the way so I can relax right after I turn 15. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys like the nose rings that I got. Most of it, I have like studs. Oh my god, studs in here because literally, I got the hoop stuck on my nose because I thought it was like fully healed, but it wasn't. So I'm lucky that I still have my nose pierced. So I have some like fake metal ones, so I'm gonna show you all like the hoop ones. So this is gonna be like for most likely school. But I will most likely wear the studs because I like studs better than hoops. But sometimes I would wear the hoops, but not too often, you know? I'm gonna show you everything that I got in this baggie. I got this primer, hand sanitizer that I got from the Dollar Tree. It's like watermelon scented and concealer. Then I'm gonna show you like the new items that you guys were curious about. Okay, so I got like this one. It smells so good that I can use during school. Then I got like this Watson. Then this deodorant because, well, sometimes I use the spray, but not really, but I really like it. So it's because it's vanilla. I use this one now, and I'm using this one for school. The video is gonna like cut off. Peace out. See you in the next part.